What's up, peeps? Hello, hey, hi, it's me, Mr. 300OG, and I hope this video finds you and yours very well. I really got to give a shout out to my homie Jacky. If it wasn't for him and his knowledge and his patience and his time, I don't know where my bike would be right now and how I would have gotten it working. My man's not only drove 40 minutes out of his way that day to help me out, but he went and searched out vital information for me to be able to get my bike started, like things that I didn't even know and I didn't even find myself. I also don't know everything about bikes, but him being more knowledgeable than me, he patiently helped me out with guidance and buying the right tools and how to get my bike dismantled and then working again. So shout out to Jacky, and let's all give a round of applause to dope friends like him. Now, my bike is up, running, and back with a vengeance. Enjoy this clip of me getting jumped for the first time. Well, enjoy this clip of my bike getting jumped for the first time, and instructions on how to reach the battery are in the description. It's not as easy as one might think, so follow that link and, get your knowledge on. Subscribe, like, comment, and let me know who's in this group. Let me know who's here. Let me know who's watching. I got some good things planned, and, I want to be able to put a face to things. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Much love.
Shit's got a clip in.
Let me get a picture of the big boss right here. Sheesh. Sheesh.